Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to my first video here on the channel. I just want to share a little bit about my trading and investing journey. So I just want to show you what a maxed out Roth IRA looks like for a 25-year-old, which I just turned last month, or rather 2 weeks ago. Today's the 13th while I'm recording this, but I did max out my Roth IRA, 7,000 with a 3% match. And I know I'm a little bit late for this because I should have made this video at the end of last year, but better late than never. Anyways, I just want to show you what my portfolio looks like. So right now it's $11,000, and you're probably wondering, how did I get from 7,000 to 11,000 so fast, right? Well, I actually started this account in September. So right around September 30th or so. As you can see, I get the $3 upside here. So yeah, I started it in September. That's when I started the account. And I did also do a transfer from Webull, which should have been $1,000, but I forgot about the fees that Robinhood has. So they charged me $75 for transferring that other account. Yeah, just remember, if you're gonna do a transfer, just don't make sure it's above $7,000, I believe it is. So, and then you can ask Robinhood support to just reimburse back the fee. So yeah, so it's actually 7,925 initial contributions, I guess. But I have been doing pretty well with my investments and trading here. So I did have some bad days, but I'll explain that right now. So the first one here is on December 12th. This is when I started using options. I started trading options, which was on GLD here. As you can see, it looks like this right now. It's doing all-time highs here overnight while I'm recording this, but yeah, that's how I started, right? It was around right here, I believe. Right around there. Yeah, around there. So that was my first play, and then I continued trading gold and up to here. And then this is where the drop-off begins. I lost about 2K there. And that's because the COMEX raised the margins and I got hit. So that lesson learned right there. But I managed to recover my portfolio the next week, which was last week. And then right now we're at 11,000. So I'm doing pretty good, I would say. Not bad for a 25-year-old, but here's my trades open that I have right now. GLD for 30 calls, and I bought these right at the close of today, market close today. I got 425 call, 80.5 call right here, and these are going to make me money tomorrow, so that's gonna be exciting. I'm holding a couple calls for TSM, Nike, SoFi, UPS, Western Digital, and Exxon. So they do have a bit of time to them right now. So I'm not too worried about these. Just waiting for the right time to sell those. For stocks, I own JEPQ, which is ETF from JP Morgan. That tracks the NASDAQ and pays me dividends. So this is a dividend stock. Beto is a Bitcoin ETF pays me dividends. UPS is a dividend stock. It's doing pretty well this year. It's up, let's see. So UPS is up 7%. That's pretty good. Pretty good. And I own, this is about 6% of my portfolio. I gotta stock up on these. All right, Google. This is my biggest portion of my portfolio. It's up 8% on the portfolio. 5.6% year to date. Not bad. That's pretty good. SoFi. Let's see. 8% of my portfolio. It's underperforming a little bit. It's been sideways for like the past 3 months. That's why. So Nvidia, I own 1 share of this one. This one's been sideways too for the past 3 months. Yeah, negative 1%. About around right there. So not bad. Amazon. I think Amazon's going to do well this year. It's up 4% year to date. 5% of my portfolio. 2 shares. I got to stock up on those two. Meta right here. I actually sold this one today, but around right there, 625. But I just bought back in, which you shouldn't do that. By the way, don't sell your shares like when they're down, because they'll eventually recover, which I did. I should be more patient for that. Nike's been doing pretty good here, especially on this call right here. I'm up. I am up 65%. Total return, not bad. So I just gotta wait and wait and wait. It's doing pretty well over the past month, actually. So year to date, 4.5% or so. That was the bottom. It's recovering, which is pretty good. Let's see. AG, this one is doing well because silver is doing really well. So this one, 20% already on the portfolio, and it's 4% of my portfolio. Not bad. I like this one actually a lot. I do like this one quite a bit. For sure. I bought it around, I think around this, yeah, around right here. This is where I bought it. Around there. Planet Labs, I think, has a lot of potential. This year, I think it's going to do very well. It's up 30% already. Wow. Western Digital, I like this one because of the memory shortage and the higher prices. They're going to do very well this year, I believe. Along with SanDisk, which is pretty hot stock right now. But Ondas, this is a defense stock. 1%. 1% of my portfolio. It's up 4%. My portfolio 39% year to date. Wow, incredible. Celsius. All right, this one's up 12%. Not bad. Okay, so yeah, that's my portfolio. I do believe that I believe that you shouldn't just invest for the long term, and you shouldn't just trade. I think you should do both, because I mean, think about it. Does Warren Buffett really just invest? I'm pretty sure he trades too. Like, there's no way he doesn't trade, right? With all of the billions and billions of dollars that he has to trade. Like, but yeah. Anyways, Silver and gold. Okay, so this one was choppy. Today was a choppy day, like as you can see here. It's just down and up and up and down right here. Ended up in the negative too. And silver was also choppy, but it's recovering overnight because the CME group raised the margins again, and it was effective for today, and after market close it started recovering. So that's nice, and I did catch the move here with these calls. So I'm gonna be earning some money tomorrow, which is awesome. And silver just hit $90 here in overnight hours. Pretty wild. Gold is at all-time highs too. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I appreciate you watching, and I have some more content coming out, so stay tuned for that. And I will also be planning on maxing out this Roth this year. And it's nice that the contribution limit has increased, so I'm excited for that. All right, thanks everyone. I'll see you later.